At 9:35 this morning, SPX's options market was pricing a 25-point implied move for the day. By 3:35 this afternoon, that number was 6. Somewhere in those 6 hours, the machine changed its mind about how much room it was willing to give price. And it did it twice. That kind of compression doesn't happen by accident. It happens when the dealers hedging this index get squeezed into a tighter and tighter box. Today's gamma wall opened this session at 77.80 and slid 30 points down to 77.50 by the close. Whatever was building overhead kept getting closer to spot, not further from it. The morning setup looked ordinary enough. Put-call volume ratio sat at 0.953, sentiment read neutral, and SPX opened at 77.54. Total gamma exposure was negative 0.02 billion. Dealers already short gamma, already leaning toward selling into weakness. Nothing about that said today would be interesting. Here's the part nobody was looking at. At 11:35, total gamma exposure flipped positive. 0.08 billion. And a zero gamma line appeared at 77.70. For about an hour, the mechanics that had been pushing dealers toward selling reversed. On paper, dealers were supposed to be calmer, except dealer Delta Net didn't calm down at all. At 9:35, it sat at negative 1,253,000. By 11:35, the same hour gamma flipped positive. It had fallen to negative 1,653,000, the most negative reading of the whole session. The tape says otherwise. Positive gamma on the printout, deeper short delta underneath it. By mid-afternoon, the regime flipped back negative and kept sinking. Negative 0.10 billion at 12:35. Negative 0.23 billion by 3:35. The most negative print of the day. And dealer DeltaNet did the opposite of what it had done all morning, crossing back to positive 76,000 right as gamma bottomed out. The implied move compression wasn't noise. It was dealers running out of room to hedge in either direction. Mechanically, here's what that leaves behind. The gamma wall closed the session at 77.50. Max pain sat at 77.25, unmoved all day. SPX itself closed at 77.30.66, 5.66 points above max pain. When a gamma wall keeps sliding down toward max pain like that while implied move keeps shrinking, the tape has tended to stay tight until the wall itself rolls to a new expiration. That's a pattern, not a promise. On the record, one setup flagged so far, not yet confirmed by the next session's data. That's where the scoreboard sits today. Tomorrow's open either drags that gamma wall down another notch toward max pain, or it doesn't. Watch the mechanics, not the noise.